Today we are checking on my Paphiopedilum and see how they are doing. This one is Paphiopedilum Pinocchio. It's a sequential bloomer. I bought him in a show last year, early March, so that was almost 1 year ago. Since then, this orchid has produced 10 flowers for me, one per each node. Here, here, which means it's an average of 1 flower per month, occasionally 2 flowers overlapping for just a few days. Considering that each bloom lasts approximately 1 month, this plant has been in bloom most of the time, which is pretty awesome and quite rewarding. And here we can see that there are still some buds to go. I guess that you are now wondering, why is this spike so contorted and twisted? It is simple, really, and I confess it's my own fault. It has to do with the intensity of light, or the lack of it. In the whole, it has to do with the way I positioned the plant when I brought it home for the winter. I placed the fans facing the window to get more light, and the blooms turned to the inside of the room so that I could enjoy them. Turns out that was not a very good idea. The flower spikes slowly stretched out and distorted to change direction towards the window and reaching the light. During summer, this plant was sitting outside receiving filtered sunlight. But in November, when days got shorter and nights got cooler, I brought him inside and placed him hanging in this window, which faces west. However, this window is shaded by the porch, so the sun only gets here quite late in the afternoon. That is quite good for the cool growers, which are placed here as well, but the Paphiopedilum obviously need stronger light than this. I corrected the light situation about 2 weeks ago when I moved this plant to the south window. Here it will get sun for most of the day. And on sunnier days, I use this fishing net as a screen. It's easy to remove, and I can put as many layers as I want because it's a quite long fishing net. During last summer, this plant has put on this beautiful fan and started another one. Hopefully it will continue to grow now that the days are longer and that it is getting more light. This is my second Paphiopedilum. It is Gratri Chino, and I bought it in bloom over 1 year ago. Here you can see a still of the plant when I bought it, and also of the lovely bloom. This plant received the same treatment as Paphiopedilum Pinocchio, namely in what light levels are concerned. They were together. And during the summer, this plant grew 3 new fans, and now no signs of a spike yet. Since the plant is getting more light now, in this south-facing window, I hope that will induce blooming. I figure Paphiopedilum in general are not the most wanted nowadays, but they are quite beautiful and easy to grow orchids, at least for me. So I would like to have 2 more. I would like to have a multifloral and also a mottle-leaved one. I have my eye on Delanati, which I believe is so exquisite and is on my wish list. But it's no hurry. When I find it, I'll get it. Well, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I wish to see you in the next video. Bye!